Hello, welcome to the course Electric Vehicle Crash Course. This is about electrical vehicle project and prototype development. Let's first discuss about the main objective of course. So, I realized that despite of availability of many books and resources for the electrical vehicle, students are getting issues and problems for starting electrical vehicle project and calculations. So I decided to build the curriculum and course that can help all kinds of students who want to start the electrical vehicle projects and prototype development. So this course is not only for the engineering students, but the students from 10 standards can join this course and understand the basic calculations and about the motors and controllers and different parts of the electrical vehicle. So the main objective of this course is to help the students to start EV project and prototype development. Let's discuss what is unique in this course. The course contents of this course is very unique, and you will not find this content anywhere in any book or in any other website. This is specially designed content for this purpose. The next thing is assignments are designed to make you practice about the different kinds of electrical vehicle projects. So you will also not find this kind of assignment anywhere in book. Practice sessions are designed. Those who submit the assignment will go through the practice session, and it will help you to understand which kind of question you can raise when you are dealing with the customer as an electrical vehicle manufacturer. This course is a complete package of information, knowledge and practice. It will provide you the information, knowledge as well as practice. The information section, the Electric Vehicle Industries of India, will motivate you to adopt electrical vehicle as a green transportation system. So this course will also motivate you to electrical vehicle adoption. The contents of this course are not limited. It will continuously and regularly updated based on the requirement and demand. Who should enroll? This course is designed for all electrical vehicle enthusiastic and not limited to only engineering students. That means it will not go through the dynamic modeling differential equation that major books are representing, but it is totally different and specially designed for the electrical vehicle project and basic calculation. So students from 10 standards onward can join this course and understand calculation easily. What will you get at the end? After completing this course, you will be able to calculate EV parameters like average motor power, gear ratio, battery range, rated speed, torque, efficiency, rated current, cost of electricity, running cost and battery replacement cost. So you will be able to completely build the data sheet for your electric vehicle project, starting from the very few required parameters. You will understand many things related to motor, controller, battery, throttle and other mechanical aspects. You will become more confident for starting electrical vehicle project and building prototype. You will have clear idea about connection of motor, controller and other accessories. Let's discuss about the contents and sections of the course. So after introduction, the basic system parameter will explain you the very basic about electrical and mechanical parameters and its interrelation. In EV calculation section, you will go through number of different calculation and assignments. Then we will see the permanent magnet DC motor kits and their part and testing. After that, BLDC hub motor kit and their parts and connection with controller and throttle. We will also discuss about the type of electric bicycle and EAS, that is pedal assistance system. Later we will discuss about the informative section, that is electric vehicle industries of India. Then we will have the discussion and resources to share and frequently asked questions. So those questions I found repeatedly, the answer will be shared later in this section. So welcome to the course and join the course Electrical Vehicle Crash Course.